99 cents, man. Size 12 barbless hook, 4.6 millimeter tungsten bead. So we'll dress the hook, and then we'll bring it back up about halfway. We've got black marabou. Eee! I'm going to use the best part, so we're going to preen all these fibers until we get that premium tips. We want about the tail about half the length, maybe just a little bit longer. Not too long because you don't want to get short strikes. Tie all that fluff in. And there it is, the black Shawaka Walker. Okay, so we're just going to make a dubbing loop. Hang that dubbing spinner in. Got some grape colored dubbing here. And I'm just going to dub a pretty heavy noodle. Just wait till I'm done. Wrap this forward. And I'll just pull off the excess. Actually, I'm going to do just a half hitch here, just so it doesn't. Next, you're going to grab some Christmas tinsel. You can get this at the craft store for like 99 cents, man. Going to grab our clip. Grab a hold of a full clip's worth of garland here. And we're just going to take our long, junky scissors. Check out my fly store, link in description. Okay, so next I'm going to grab the dubbing loop, and I'm just going to open it up. Take my clip here. I'm just going to insert that as close up to the fly as possible. Then we're just going to pull tension, and we're going to release all that garland like that. And we're going to so we're going to spin this. Cord that up. I'm just pushing the thread to just kind of. Now we're going to just work this forward. It's going to look really messy at first, so I'm just zigzagging back and forth. Take it all the way up to just behind the bead. Bringing everything back. And tie off that dubbing loop, front and back. I'm going to take and cut our dubbing loop off. Just wait, I know it looks bad, but you got to see the finished product. Purple dub is going to help push those garland fibers back. Just grab as many as you can, push them back out, and just wrap a nice clean dubbing collar. Don't go, don't go, don't go. We're not done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick whip finish. And we'll trim that. I'm just going to give it a haircut. Just take this dubbing brush, just brush out some of that purple underdub. It's not beautiful in the vise, but it's a fish catcher, super easy to tie, very durable, and it looks good in the water. Throw some UV on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.